So as a follow-up to my DIY barbed wire made out of aluminum wire, Peggy had a wonderful idea to add fairy lights to use it as home decor. So I've made 2 pieces. It's much easier if you make small pieces and put them together. And then I remembered that my friend Allison had given me some fairy lights. So let's go into my Allison tickle trunk and see what's inside. So we're just gonna open this up. Whenever I need anything, I have all of her beads and supplies and stuff, and she has all kinds of little bits and pieces, and lo and behold, some fairy lights. So let's have a look what we can do with those. I'm just going to put this back down. This is a beautiful oak trunk, smells amazing. So now let's piece together our 2 short pieces of the barbed wire. These ones I had cut 40-inch pieces of wire, and it goes down to about like 18 inches. And so basically what you can do is just take the ends and fit them together. So just like one end has a loop, you can go into that end, just loop them in together, and then just bring this one back and twist it around one side, and then this one you're going to twist around the other side, so however you want it. And then so that makes one piece, and then you would get your fairy lights. And normally I think people put these in bottles. This is the only ones that I have, so we're going to see how that's going to work. We'll just open them up, and I'll just start at one end, and we'll just wind them around the wire and see how they look. So we'll just take these and then just wind them around. I'm not sure the best way to do this, just around like that. And I don't think they have to be wound around that much, but you can just go around like that. This is quite long, so you can put a bunch of pieces together would be fine. Just wind that around, and then you would just turn them on, and it makes a super cool kind of like rustic effect. It would be great for weddings and home decor. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more DIY wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. Thank you to Peggy for your wonderful idea to add the fairy lights to the DIY barbed wire, and we'll see you the next time.